Okay, we're at the second bridge area. They installed the silt fence today. So what we're going to do is, we're going to review what they did today. This is the end of my nature trail. As you can see, the silt fence is right there. I'm probably going to have to clean through in this area, all these briars, to get around it. There's going to be hay bales added here, so it's going to be tough to climb over. As you can see, it goes quite a bit. It's easy to step over right now without the hay bales. But we've got our silt fence area. In my video, this was one of my favorite areas straight ahead. We'll go that way. As you can see, the silt fence goes off in that direction. We're going to walk past over here into this other area, which is protected. My favorite area is right over here. Check the silt fence area over there. And as you can see, it runs over in that direction. And you can see the site.